Hello student, I am Professor Pallavi Devkate. Welcomes you in first practical of Elective Econ 354. Course title is Agribusiness Management. Okay, in today's practical we will study about RRB, that is a Regional Rural Bank, in detail. Okay, so in this topic we will study the establishment of RRB, then capital structure of RRB, organization structure of RRB, and different functions of RRB. Okay, so we see one by one different points in RRB. So first of all, we see the origin of RRB. Okay, so long form of RRB, that is Regional Rural Bank. So this Regional Rural Bank was established during 2nd October 1975. Okay, so establishment of RRB on 2nd October 1975 on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti. And this RRB was established as per the rules of RRB Act 1976. Okay, so according to this Act, RRB Act 1976, this RRB was established during 1975. Okay, also this establishment of RRB was done under recommendation of Narsingham Committee. Okay, so for study of this rural finance, there was one committee and the chairman of that particular committee was Narsingham. Okay, so this committee recommended the establishment of RRB, that is Regional Rural Bank. So initially the RRB was established with the capital of 1 crore rupees, and this RRB was regulated by NABARD. Okay, NABARD, the long form of NABARD, that is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. So this RRB was regulated by NABARD, and the area of operation of this RRB was limited to few districts. Okay, that means it can be work within one or more than one or two or more than two districts. Okay, so this is all about basic information of RRB, that is establishment of RRB. So RRB was established during 1975. Okay, the main feature of this RRB, that means this RRB is the combination of commercial bank as well as cooperative bank. So this RRB is the combination of commercial as well as cooperative bank. So the recommended of this new bank, which combines the local feel and familiar with rural process problem, which is the cooperative bank. Okay, the capital structure of RRB is fixed, that means among the shareholders. So this capital structure, it comprises of 50 as to 15 as to 35. Okay, that means the central government has the 50% share, whereas state government has 15% share and remaining 35% shares of sponsor bank. So this capital structure of Regional Rural Bank is fixed as 50 as to 15 as to 35. Okay. Okay. In case of capital structure of ownership rights, the RRB Act empowers the central government to open the banks from time to time at the places where it may be considered as a necessary. That means central government has the empower to open these RRBs, and this Regional Rural Bank is jointly owned by Government of India, then Government of State and Public Sector Bank, that is sponsoring bank. So ownership is common between Government of India, then state government and public sector bank or sponsor bank. The authorized capital of each bank is rupees 1 crore. Okay, and issue capital is rupees 25 lakh, and which is held by RRB in the proportion of 50 as to 15 as to 35% respectively. Okay, so each bank carries the banking business within the local limit specified by government notification. Okay, so this is all about capital structure of regional rural bank. Okay, after capital structure of regional rural bank, next point, that is functions of regional rural bank. So there are major 5 functions of regional rural bank. In that, first one, that is it provide basic banking facilities to the rural and semi-urban areas. Okay, as like commercial bank, this regional rural bank provide different banking facilities such as withdraw of money, then advancement of loan, deposit, saving deposit, then ATM facilities. All these banking facilities are provided by this RRB. Then second function, that is give the effect to some governmental function. If there are some government project, in that particular project this RRB gives the effect or help. Then next, an important function of this RRB, that is RRB provide the bank related facilities such as locker facilities, internet banking facilities, etc. Next one, that is grant the credit facilities to people belonging in rural areas. So this RRB granting loan and advances particularly to small and marginal farmers, agricultural laborers, individually or in group or in cooperative societies, also for agricultural processing societies and cooperative farming societies, etc. Okay, so this RRB grant the different types of loan, that means short term loan, medium term and long term loan to the small marginal farmers, agricultural labor and all the cooperative society. Okay, also this cooperative bank advance the loans to village artisans, small entrepreneurs, small traders and businessmen, etc. Okay, so main function of this regional rural bank is the advancement of loan to the small marginal farmer, village artisans and other small entrepreneurs. Okay, and after that, last function of RRB, that is accept the deposit from people. So this RRB also encourage the rural people the habit of saving. Okay, they accept the deposit from people in various ways, that is fixed deposit, recurring deposit or any other means. So these are the different functions of RRB. So main 2 functions, that is granting of loan and advances, and second one is accepting deposit, are the functions of regional rural bank. Okay, so this is all about first practical, that is study of regional rural bank, in which we study the establishment of regional rural bank, then organizational structure, then capital structure, objectives and functions of regional rural bank. Okay, so in practical as well as in theory exam, question asked on this topic, like explain the regional rural bank on following points. So there are different points like establishment, objectives, organizational structure, capital structure, function, etc. Okay, so there is one assignment to you student regarding the practical. So you have to collect the different schemes of regional rural bank, and also you have to collect the different names of regional rural banks in India. Okay, so this is all about regional rural bank. Okay, so this is all about today's practical, that is regional rural bank. Okay, thank you all.